If you're considering purchasing a home in Myrtle Beach or the surrounding areas of Horry or Georgetown counties, it is essential to take these necessary steps to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. As a realtor with Vicki Sells Grand Strand, I highly recommend beginning your first step of meeting with a qualified mortgage lender to get pre-approved for your loan. By taking this critical step before embarking on your home search, you can gain a clear understanding of your financial situation and what you can afford. Understanding the cost associated with owning a home and qualifying for a loan is essential before house hunting. I have an extensive network of trusted mortgage professionals that I can refer to you to ensure that you are in safe and experienced hands. By working with a trusted mortgage professional, you can gain valuable insight into the down payment requirements, closing costs, and other expenses associated with the purchase of your new home in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Don't make the common mistake of house hunting before you secure your financing. Reach out to me today at 843-222-7800 so I can refer you to a mortgage professional who can guide you through the process and help you achieve your dream of home ownership here in Myrtle Beach or one of the great surrounding areas of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.